Hi y'all, this is Jamie from Gardening It Grows on You, and today we're going to be talking about 4 things that you can troubleshoot that are easy fixes when your lawnmower won't start or it starts and cuts off. So today I'm going to show you on my hand-me-down lawnmower from my parents. My dad likes to mark everything, so you can see this lawnmower he purchased in 2010, so it's getting to be pretty old, but it still runs really well. And there's 4 things that I usually, when the lawnmower won't start, there's 4 things that I look for. The first one should be pretty simple, but guess what? You need to check, make sure it has gas. So you need to look for the part, check the gas, make sure you got enough. The next thing you need to check for, the oil. So just like a car has a dipstick, we're gonna check, see if it's got enough oil in there. It's got a marker. This is something where you look at the type of lawnmower you have, and you should be able to research and find what type of oil you have. The next 2 things we're going to check for are going to be, you're going to need probably a socket set, and you're going to probably need some type of screwdriver. So we are going to be looking at the filter and checking that out, and we're also going to be checking out the spark plug to see. Those are the 2 other easy things to check for when your lawnmower will not start. So if your lawnmower won't start, or if it starts, you crank it and then it cuts off, kind of runs rough and cuts off, then you may need to check the filter. So usually has a type of a screw attached with it. My filter is more of like a rectangular flat one, but sometimes they are oblong or kind of oval shaped. But if you open it up and it looks like this might be the culprit why it's not running. So you can clean this, but filters are pretty inexpensive, so I would recommend just replacing this. You can find them at a lot of different places. When I looked mine up, it was probably around maybe $10 to $15 somewhere, and it's brand new, and you can just, I keep an extra one in case I need it. Like I said, you could knock this out and use it, especially if you need to cut the grass right then and you don't have an extra filter lying around. But I would recommend getting a filter extra on hand, and when it gets dirty, just cleaning it out. So that's one thing. You replace that and it might start right up. The next culprit for a push lawnmower that won't start is the spark plug. And so if you want to check the spark plug, you just remove this end cap. I already got my socket set. This is a 13/16. Yours might be a little different, but you just want to slide it on there until it loosens up, and then you can unscrew this, and you're going to take a look at it. This one doesn't look all that great. My lawnmower is actually running even with a filter that looks like that and a spark plug that looks like that, but I probably should go ahead and replace both of these. I want to show y'all another one that does not look good. So this one's, you can see it looks kind of burnt on the end and has a problem, but these run you maybe $5 to $10, and you can look them up to see which one matches. You want to use the front of your, wherever your name of your lawnmower is, it'll tell you, and you just look at the horsepower and the brand and everything, and it'll tell you. Now I want to show you this. You see how that metal on this box looks nice and clean? That's what you want to make sure that your spark plug looks like. So again, just to review, if you have a lawnmower that won't start, check the gas, check the oil, check the filter, and check the spark plug. Those are 4 easy fixes that a lot of times can solve the issue with the lawnmower if it's not running. I recommend having an extra filter, extra oil, and an extra spark plug. I hope with these 4 suggestions you were able to get your lawnmower running again. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me, and get growing.